If you're dealing with arthritis or joint pain, you know just how debilitating it can be. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: the foods you should avoid to help manage arthritis effectively. Whether you're dealing with rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis, making the right dietary choices can make a significant difference. Let's explore the worst foods for arthritis and why you should steer clear of them. Before we jump into the foods, let's quickly understand what arthritis is. Arthritis is a condition that involves inflammation of the joints, causing pain, stiffness, and decreased mobility. There are different types of arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, but all of them share the common characteristic of joint inflammation and discomfort. Believe it or not, your diet plays a critical role in managing arthritis symptoms. Certain foods can aggravate inflammation and make your joint pain worse, while others can help alleviate discomfort. Today, we're focusing on what not to eat, specifically, the foods that can worsen arthritis. But before we begin our countdown of the worst foods for arthritis, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Share it with anyone you know who might benefit and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips and advice. Also, stick around till the end to get a comprehensive understanding of the foods you should avoid to manage arthritis effectively. Now, let's dive into it. Coming in at number 7, we have sugary drinks and snacks. Sugary beverages like sodas and sweetened iced teas are loaded with high fructose corn syrup and artificial sugars. These sugars can trigger the release of pro-inflammatory chemicals in the body, exacerbating arthritis symptoms such as pain and swelling. Additionally, sugary snacks like candies and pastries can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased inflammation, potentially worsening arthritis symptoms. Moving on to number 6, we have processed foods and those high in trans fats. Processed foods encompass a wide range of items, such as packaged snacks like potato chips, pretzels, and prepackaged baked goods like cookies, cakes, frozen meals, and fast food. These foods often contain unhealthy fats, including trans fats, which are created during the hydrogenation process used to increase the shelf life and stability of processed foods. Trans fats are highly inflammatory and have been associated with various health issues, including heart disease and increased inflammation in the body, which can exacerbate arthritis symptoms. Now at number 5, we're talking about red and processed meats. Red meats and processed meats like sausages and bacon are high in saturated fats. Saturated fats are notorious for promoting inflammation, contributing to arthritis symptoms. Additionally, these meats can contain advanced glycation end products like AGIs formed during high-heat cooking processes, which may also trigger inflammation in the body and worsen joint pain. Coming in at number 4 are dairy products, especially full-fat versions. Dairy contains a protein called casein, which can irritate some individuals and cause an inflammatory response. Moreover, full-fat dairy products are high in saturated fats, which have been linked to increased inflammation. For individuals sensitive to dairy or those with lactose intolerance, consuming dairy products can lead to digestive issues and potentially worsen arthritis symptoms. At number 3, we're talking about foods high in purines. Purines are natural compounds found in certain foods and, when broken down, produce uric acid. Excessive uric acid levels can lead to gout, a type of arthritis characterized by severe joint pain and inflammation. Foods rich in purines include organ meats like liver, kidneys, and shellfish like shrimp, crab, lobster, and certain fish like anchovies, sardines, mackerel. These purine-rich foods can elevate uric acid levels, making them harmful for individuals with arthritis, particularly gout sufferers. At number 2, we have gluten-containing foods. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. While gluten is a primary concern for individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, it's important to note that its impact on arthritis varies among individuals. For the general population, gluten-containing foods may not directly worsen arthritis symptoms. However, some studies suggest that reducing gluten intake could potentially alleviate inflammation in the body, which may benefit individuals dealing with arthritis. It's essential to highlight that the scientific evidence connecting gluten to arthritis in the general population is still evolving, and more research is needed to draw definitive conclusions. It's always wise to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice regarding gluten and its potential effects on arthritis, especially if you suspect a dietary connection. And finally, at the top of our list at number 1, we have common arthritis aggravators, nightshade vegetables. Nightshades belong to the Solanaceae family and include popular vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, eggplant, and peppers. While these vegetables are nutritious and commonly found in many diets, some people with arthritis may be sensitive to the alkaloids they contain, potentially worsening inflammation and arthritis symptoms in certain individuals. It's important to note that this doesn't affect everyone, and it's advisable to monitor how your body reacts to these commonly consumed vegetables. Understanding the impact of these foods on arthritis is crucial for effective symptom management. For a broader audience dealing with arthritis, it's important to pay closer attention to items like common arthritis aggravators like nightshade vegetables, sugary drinks and snacks, processed foods with trans fats, red and processed meats, dairy products, foods high in purines, and gluten. Containing foods, which are known for their potential to cause inflammation and exacerbate arthritis symptoms. By avoiding these items and making healthier dietary choices, you're empowering yourself to better manage your arthritis and experience improved joint health. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and share it with anyone you know who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, prioritize your joint health and stay informed.